Have you ever thought about how something as simple as walking can have a significant impact on your health and well-being? If not, then you're in the right place because today we're going to talk about the amazing benefits of walking daily. Greetings and a warm welcome to our Health and Wellness channel. Our aim is to bring you insightful content on various topics related to health. In today's video, we're going to discuss the amazing positive effects that daily walking can have on your health. So let's dive in and discover the wonders of this simple activity. Walking is one of the most natural and accessible forms of physical activity that anyone can do, regardless of age or fitness level. It's a low-impact exercise that doesn't require any special equipment, and it can be done anywhere, at any time. Regular walking can lower your risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. It also strengthens your muscles and bones, improves your balance and coordination, and helps maintain a healthy weight. Walking has been proven to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It can also increase your mood, self-esteem, and overall sense of well-being. The rhythmic and repetitive motion of walking can have a calming effect on your mind and body, making it a great way to clear your head and improve your mental health. Research has shown that walking can improve the quality of your sleep. It can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer, which can improve your energy levels and productivity during the day. Walking with friends, family, or even pets can be a great way to socialize and connect with others. It's an opportunity to catch up, share stories, and enjoy each other's company while getting some exercise. So, as you can see, there are many benefits to walking daily. It's an easy and affordable way to improve your physical and mental health, and it's something that almost anyone can do. I hope this video has inspired you to lace up your shoes and go for a walk today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Thanks for watching.